Is your dating life not up to snuff? Are you tired of people wanting to just be friends? Have you had your fill of blaming millennials for all of your worries? Well, it's time to tip your trilby, because this isn't a f***ing fedora, you stupid piece of shit. And blame the friend zone. That's right, blaming the friend zone is all the rage today. It takes all of your worries and concerns that you aren't a decent human being, or that perhaps the person you're into simply doesn't like you that way, kind of like how someone might like a cheese sandwich, but someone else loves ham sandwiches. There's no real reason to fight, everyone just has their own preferences. What was I saying? Oh yes! It takes those concerns and makes it the other person's fault, because clearly you're such an upstanding citizen that you have to blame the person you're into, and an imaginary zone that feelings get trapped in, as a solid reason for them not to be into you, when it could just be the sandwich metaphor that I used earlier. Man, I'm hungry. So, if you want to be a 100% grade A fuckboy, then blame the friend zone. But let's be honest, you don't need a video to tell you that. You've been doing it for years. I know.